Children, we will see today exercise 5.3, that is fill in the blanks. The angle formed by the minor is also known as smaller part of the circle on any point of is a acute angle. We know if any angle is formed in a minor arc, that is acute angle, and its opposite, the angle formed by the major, that is greater part of a circle on any point, is a obtuse angle. This theorem also you know, in a circle the sum of the corresponding angle formed by the smaller segment and the greater segment of a circle is 180 degree. This is the theorem. You should know the sum of smaller segment and the greater segment is 180 degree. Now we will start exercise 5.4. 5.4 Question number 1. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle whose diameter is p cube. Find the measure of angle PRQ and QPR. QPR. We have to find the value. We will see now. The drawing is given in the question only. PQR. Q is 70. R and P we have to find out, and from the center a line is passing, and PQ is a diameter. As we can see this, it is in a semicircle, a triangle in a semicircle. If a triangle in a semicircle, one of its angle in a arc is right angle 90 degree. This theorem I have said you when we have started a circle. So what? PQ is diameter. PQ is diameter. So we can say angle PRQ equal 90 degree. Reason angle in semicircle. Angle in semicircle. Now in which triangle? In triangle PQR. We are solving in triangle PQR. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal, we know the sum of triangle is 180 degree. You have to write at the side, sum of triangle is of 180 degree. Now the value of angle P, we don't know the value of angle P, it will be as it is. Angle Q is 70 plus angle R is 90 degree equal 180 degree. Now 70 plus 90 we have to add, and angle P will be as it is. Then 90 plus 70, it is 130 equal 180 degree. Then angle P equal 180 minus 130, it is similar as equation. Then angle P equal, you subtract it, 0, 8 minus 3, that is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0, that is P equal 50 degree. P how much we got? 50 degree. And R how much we got? 90 degree. Is it clear? Now see question number 2. In the given figure, angle in the segment of the circle PQXY arc, angle PQ equals 70 degree and angle YQP is 30 degree. Find out the measure of angle PYQ and angle PXQ. We have to find the angle Y and angle X. Angle Y and angle X. How? This drawing is given, angle P and angle PQY, it is 30 degree. Which triangle we are solving? In triangle PQY. PQY we will solve first. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle Y equal 180 degree. Same reason you have to write sum of triangle is of 180 degree. Angle P, how much it is? 70 degree plus angle Q, that is 30 degree plus angle Y we don't know, equal 180 degree. Then 70 plus 30 is 100 plus angle Y equal 180 degree. Then angle Y equal 180 minus 100, transpose 100 towards right side. Then angle Y equal 180 minus 100 is 80 degree. Now Y we got 80. X will be also 80 because angle made by an arc in the same segment are equal. In the points to remember the first class, I told you in a same segment, if both the angle are in a same segment, the angle will be equal. So angle X and angle Y is equal. Reason, angle made by an arc in the same segment are equal. Question number 3. In the given figure, PQ equal PR. It is said that PQ equal PR. And the center of the circle O, then find the three angles of the triangle PQR. This is a circle. It is said PQ equal PR. What it is given? PQ equal PR, that is given, means these two angles are sides are equal. If these two sides are equal, we can say these opposite angles are also equal. Therefore we can say angle R equal angle Q, both are equal. We will take it as X. Let angle P equal 90 degree. Angle P will be 90 degree. Just we have seen a reason why it is 90 degree, because angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is of 90 degree. Now which triangle we are solving? In triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equal 180 degree. Sum of triangle is of 180 degree. What is the value of angle P? 90. Plus what is the value of angle Q? We have taken as X. Plus angle R also we have taken as X equal 180 degree. 90 as it is plus X is 2X equal 180 degree. Then 2X equal 180 minus 90. I am doing at the side to show you, but you will write in your copy after that. Then 2x equal 180 minus 90, that is 90. Then x equal 90 upon 2. Cancel it, 2 1s are 2, 2 45s are 90. So x equal 45 degree. What is the value of x? That means Q and R. Angle Q equal angle R equal 45 degree, because x was Q and R. Is it clear? Question number 4. In a given figure, AB equal AC. Angle ACB is 65. Find out the bezier of angle BDC. See the drawing. It is given AB equal AC. What it is given? AB equal AC, that is given. As we know, if the opposite sides are equal, its opposite angles are also equal. This is 65 opposite to this, then this opposite angle B will be also 65. Angle B equal angle C equal 65, because opposite angle of equilateral triangle are equal. Is it clear? Now we can say in which triangle we are solving? In triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degree. Angle A we don't know, we have to find angle A. Plus angle B is 65 plus angle C is also 65 equal 180. If you solve 65 plus 65, it is 130 equal 180. Then angle A equal 180 minus 130. Then angle A equal 50 degree. How much angle A we got? 50. Now we have to find angle D. Now how to write? It is angle measure BDC. BDC. We have to find angle BDC. Angle BDC equal angle BAC. BAC equal 50 degree. Both the angle are same. What? The angle inside in the same arc of a circle are equal. Is it clear? Now question number 5th. In a given figure, find out the angle measure for angle PTR. PTR. This angle we have to find, an angle PSR. PSR. This angle we have to find, where in angle PQR equal 30 degree. PQR. This angle is 130 degree given. Here 130 degree it is given. We have to find angle T and angle S. We know angle PTR plus angle PQR equal 180. What is the reason we have seen? Sum of angle formed on both sides of a chord is 180 degree. Now PTR. PTR we don't know. Let it be angle PTR plus PQR. PQR that is 130 equal 180. Then angle PTR equal 180 minus 130. Angle PTR equal, if you subtract, you will get 50 degree. That is PTR. Angle PTR equal angle PSR equal 50 degree. The reason is angle in the same segment of a circle are equal.